Is it time to buy or sell HIMS and HERS Health Class A stock? In this video, we will explore HIMS and HERS Health Class A in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 18th of July, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with a more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell so you can stay updated on our latest analyses. You don't want to miss any important updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Take advantage of AI and access free price predictions and in-depth analyses for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since June 23, 2025, our system has categorized HIMS and HERS Health Class A as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -3.45. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Interestingly, the stock has outperformed our system's predictions, achieving a gain of 20.01%. This equates to an average return of 1.05% per day since it was designated as a sell candidate. The stock is situated within a broad and robust upward trend in the short term, indicating a further rise within this trajectory. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 21.54% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from -7.88% to 77.64%. In a longer-term view, our 12-month analysis forecasts a projected change of around 89.96%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from 32.37% to 222.33% over the coming year. In current terms, this would place the future price between 66.69 and 162.39. Our latest daily update for HIMS and HERS Health Class A includes the headline, HIMS and HERS Health Incorporated, Class A stock price, ended at $50.38 on Friday, after gaining 0.78%. The HIMS and HERS Health Incorporated, Class A stock price gained 0.78% on the last trading day, which was Friday, the 18th of July, 2025, rising from $49.99 to $50.38. During that trading day, the stock fluctuated 5.3%, with a low of $48.50 and a high of $51.07. The price has increased in 6 of the last 10 days and is up by 5.29% over the past 2 weeks. Volume has risen on the last day, along with the price, which indicates a positive technical sign, with a total of 2 million more shares traded than the day before. In total, 22 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $1.11 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $72.98, while the lowest price was $13.47. Currently, the price is 30.97%, or $22.60, below the 52-week high of $72.98, which is also the all-time high for the stock. HIMS and HERS Health, a company dedicated to transforming healthcare, is currently facing multiple class action lawsuits related to potential securities fraud. Recently, firms such as Bragar Eagles Squire, Blake Marfanti and Auld, and Rosen Law Firm have encouraged investors who have suffered losses to reach out to them, noting a deadline of August 25th for lead plaintiffs. This legal scrutiny could result in increased volatility in HIMS stock as investors assess the implications of these claims. On a more positive note, despite the ongoing lawsuits, HIMS reported impressive growth metrics, surpassing 2.4 million subscribers and achieving an astonishing 111% year-over-year revenue growth. The shift towards personalized healthcare solutions and expansions in chronic care offerings may positively contribute to its long-term stock performance. Additionally, HIMS recently received a rating upgrade to strong buy, reflecting optimism regarding its earnings prospects, which may enhance investor confidence in the short term. However, the ongoing litigation presents a significant risk that could suppress stock price performance in the near future. The outcomes of these lawsuits and the company's ability to sustain its growth trajectory will be crucial in determining HIMS stock value as we move forward. Analyst ratings. On Saturday, June 28, 2025, it was reported that Scotiabank assigned HIMS a sector perform grade along with a downgrade action. On Monday, June 23, 2025, it was reported that Citigroup assigned HIMS a sell grade together with a hold action. On Monday, June 23, 2025, it was reported that UBS assigned HIMS a underperform grade along with a hold action. On Wednesday, June 4, 2025, it was reported that Needham assigned HIMS a buy grade along with a hold action. On Monday, June 2, 2025, it was reported that Citigroup assigned HIMS a sell grade along with a hold action. Analysts have assigned HIMS and HERS Health Class A stock a general neutral rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts have given the stock a strong buy rating. The following signals have been identified for HIMS and HERS Health, Class A. Additionally, there is a buy signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Volume is increasing alongside the price, which is a favorable technical indicator. However, some negative signals have also emerged, potentially impacting short-term developments. The HIMS and HERS Health, Inc. Class A stock presents sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, leading to a more pessimistic outlook for the stock. Furthermore, a general sell signal has been detected based on the relationship between these two signals, where the long-term average exceeds the short-term average. On upward corrections, there will be resistance from the lines at $50.41 and $52.18. A breakout above either of these levels will generate buy signals. A sell signal was triggered from a pivot top point on Friday, May 16, 2025, and thus far, it has declined by 22.07%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Here are some additional signals that might capture your interest. Moving Average Convergence Divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots recorded a sell signal 43 days ago. Bollinger showed a buy signal 20 days ago. The short-term moving average indicated a sell signal 3 days ago. The long-term moving average also indicated a sell signal 20 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages suggested a buy signal 19 days ago. When examining the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average indicated a buy signal 6 days ago. The long-term moving average showed a buy signal 17 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages suggested a buy signal 48 days ago. For more signals, please visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for HIMS and HERS Health Class A. HIMS and HERS Health Incorporated Class A finds support from accumulated volume at $49.47. This level may present a buying opportunity as an upward reaction is anticipated when the support is tested. This stock experiences significant movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility and with a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band. It is categorized as high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $2.57 or 5.3%. During the past week, the stock has shown a daily average volatility of 6.4%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for HIMS and HERS Health, Class A, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This important ratio measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A high price-to-earnings ratio could indicate that the stock is overvalued, or that investors anticipate significant growth rates in the future. In other news, the next earnings report for the third quarter of 2025 is expected on the 4th of August, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are set at 17 cents. Keep a close watch on these figures, as they can profoundly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for HIMS and HERS Health, Class A. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for HIMS and HERS Health, Class A, is at $51.40. If you do not own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could serve as a point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, HIMS and HERS Health, Class A, encounters its first support level at $49.47. If this support level holds, it could present an attractive entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for HIMS and HERS Health, Class A, from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Let's take a look at some recent insider trades. On the 16th of July, 2025, Dudum Andrew conducted an insider sale of 1,458 shares of Class A common stock. On the same day, Dudum Andrew conducted another insider sale of 46,076 shares of Class A common stock. On that same date, Dudum Andrew also conducted an insider sale of 2,792 shares of Class A common stock. On the 14th of July, 2025, Boughton Soleil conducted an insider sale of 2,572 shares of Class A common stock. On the same day, Okupe Oluyemi conducted an insider sale of 7,587 shares of stock option, which gives the right to buy. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've determined that insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 30.343. Overall, insiders purchased 716,151 shares and sold 1,341,978 shares in the last 100 trades. We currently hold a negative evaluation for this stock, and a stop loss has not been established. Is HIMS and HERS Health Class A stock a good buy? The HIMS and HERS Health Incorporated Class A stock exhibits several negative signals. Despite a positive trend, we anticipate that HIMS and HERS Health Incorporated Class A will perform weakly in the upcoming days or weeks. Consequently, we hold a negative evaluation of this stock. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Monday, the 21st of July, we expect HIMS and HERS Health Class A to open lower by nearly 0.4 dollars and begin trading at approximately $50. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money. It is crucial to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from everyone here at Stock Invest.